Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build an egg holder for my refrigerator, which consists of only 3 parts and is very easy to build. I make the holder from a pine shelf. I start with a shelf that is approximately 30 times 40 centimeters and 1.8 centimeters thick. The first thing I do is to cut the shelf in 2 pieces that are 12 centimeters wide. Then I cut one piece to a length of 30 centimeters and the other piece into 2 pieces that are 10 centimeters long. Time to drill some holes in the long piece. I drill the first hole in the middle of the length and 3.5 centimeters from the edge, and the other holes at a distance of 5.5 centimeters measured from the center of the holes. Since I usually only buy large eggs, I have chosen to make the holes 40 millimeters in diameter. If you want to use the holder for regular eggs, I recommend using a drill bit that is about 35 to 37 millimeters instead. In the pieces that measure 10 by 12 centimeters, I have made 2 markings 3.5 centimeters from the long and short sides. According to these markings, I drilled 2 holes that are 3 centimeters in diameter. Then I mill a straight groove between the upper edges of the holes. Next, I mill a straight groove between the bottom edges of the holes so that the hole forms a rectangle with semicircular corners. Since the oblong holes will become the handles of the egg holder, I don't want handles with sharp edges to hold on to. Therefore, I round off both the inside of the hole and the top of the pieces so that they form more comfortable handles. I also round off the holes on the top where the eggs will be placed. Finally, I make a smaller rounding on the sides of the pieces with the handles and the long piece. I set the saw blade to a height of 6 millimeters. Then I place the stop block exactly 4 centimeters from the saw blade, including the width of the blade. Next, I'll make a cut along each handle. Note that I am holding the bottom of the handles against the stop block. I use a piece of the same thickness as the handles to measure exactly where to make the next cut. Then I cut another groove in each handle piece. When I'm done with the second groove, I cut away the material between the grooves. The only thing left now before the egg holder is complete is to glue the pieces together. I want to add some color to the egg holder, so I stain it with a dark shade. After the stain has dried, I protect the egg holder with a layer of epoxy. After egg holder has received a layer of protective varnish, it looks like this.